We live in a world of excess. We constantly surround ourselves with more and more things, chasing the idea that more possessions will bring us happiness and success. But what if the opposite is actually true? What if less is actually more? Minimalism is the idea that by owning less, we can gain more, and by getting rid of the excess, we can make room for what truly matters. By doing so, we gain freedom, clarity, and the ability to focus on the things that truly bring us joy and fulfillment. Minimalism isn't just about decluttering your physical space, it's also about simplifying your life in all aspects. It's about cutting out unnecessary expenses, living below your means, and investing in experiences rather than possessions. By embracing minimalism, you can not only simplify your life and find true happiness, but you can also become financially rich. You'll have more money to save, invest, and use towards the things that truly matters. So let go of excess and embrace minimalism. You'll be surprised at just how much money it can make you. The first way you can implement minimalism today is to declutter your environment. I believe the first step to implementing minimalism in your life is by decluttering your home or your environment. Go through your possessions and get rid of anything that you no longer need, use, or love. This will not only free up your physical space, but it will also declutter your mind and make it easier to focus on what truly matters. Decluttering your home can be a powerful way not only to simplify your life, but also to help you make more money. Studies have shown that a cluttered environment can lead to increased levels of stress, decreased productivity, and even financial difficulties. According to a study by the Princeton University Neuroscience Institute, physical clutter in your surroundings competes for your attention, resulting in a decreased ability to focus and increased stress levels. By decluttering your home, you can create a space that is more conducive to productivity, relaxation, and overall well-being. Decluttering your home can also help you make more money. When you get rid of items you no longer need or use, you can sell or donate them, which can bring in extra cash. Additionally, by decluttering, you can also make space for items that you truly value and use, which can lead to a reduction in impulse buying and overspending. My second tip for you is to eliminate decision fatigue. Decision fatigue is the idea that after making many decisions, your ability to make more and more decisions over the course of a day becomes worse. Simply, the more decisions you have to make, the more fatigue you develop, and the more difficult it becomes to make a decision. There are multiple studies that found that decision fatigue is a real phenomenon and that it can have a negative impact on our lives. The constant decision making, no matter how small, can add up and leave us feeling mentally exhausted. Every morning, we are faced with the task of deciding what to wear for the day, and I think we all can agree that it can be overwhelming. This constant decision making can be mentally exhausting and can leave you feeling drained even before your day has started. A minimalist approach to your wardrobe, such as only wearing black or white t-shirts or the same t-shirt every day, can declutter your life and minimize decision fatigue. Okay, now maybe not the same t-shirt, but I recommend you find a t-shirt that fits great and just buy 5 or 6 of them. By having a minimal color palette and a simple wardrobe, you'll be able to mix and match your clothes easily, which will allow you to create more outfits with fewer pieces. This will not only save you a lot of time and energy, but will also save you money in the long run. Additionally, black and white are very timeless and versatile colors that can be dressed up or down, so you can wear them in any occasion. By simplifying your wardrobe, you can reduce the mental load of choosing what to wear and free up time and energy to focus on the things that truly matter, like learning new skills or working on your side hustle, and that can have a huge impact on your income. My third tip, if you want to implement minimalism, is to live below your means. Minimalists live below their means because they prioritize experiences and personal growth over material possessions. They believe that living with less can lead to a more fulfilling and meaningful life, and by reducing expenses, they are able to save and invest more money, which can lead to greater financial security and freedom. Another benefit is that by living with less, you are less likely to fall into debt and are able to simplify your life, which can lead to a greater sense of peace and contentment. Minimalism encourages us to focus on what truly matters in life, rather than constantly chasing after material possessions. And as a result of doing so, you will automatically start living below your means and will be on your path to financial freedom. Embracing minimalism can be a powerful tool for reaching financial freedom and building a life of greater abundance. So start simplifying, start living below your means, and watch as your wealth begins to grow. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you very soon.